Hey there, my name's Cal. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the custom menu widget for BigCommerce. This is available as an aftermarket widget through the Epic Page Builder Widgets app that's available in the BigCommerce App Store right now. It'll add a lot more widgets to your site so you can build out something beautiful. And let me show you how it works. So once you get it installed and you get the widgets added to your store in the configuration tab of the app, you can come into your customizer for your theme and scroll down to the custom widgets. And we're going to look for one in this video called Custom Menu. And we're just going to drag this in real quick. All right, so it's got 3 example links added in here by default, and you can see you can click through each one of these. So let's change this one to be link 1, and we'll just point this to /categories. And then we can either hit the arrow or click on link 2 to go to link 2. And let's call this link 2. And let's make this go to our about, for example. And then, oh my gosh, another link here too, right? You can see it updates on the page. You can also make these open in a new tab if these are external links. It's up to you. The settings for this widget are up here in the 3-dot section. So you can click the 3 dots and go to settings. And so we have options, spacing, background, and border. This one right here is a big one because this is automatically going to change it to be a horizontal menu, which if you're trying to use this in the menu, in your header would be really good. So this would be a great thing to use up here in your top bar. And we use this all the time when we're building themes at Epic Design Labs. If we want to use it as a non-horizontal menu, guess where that would work great? Right here in the footer. And you can actually see all of the footer links in this example website are all put in here with the custom menu. And so this is really, really vital. We do this on all of the sites that we build. We use this in the footer to make sure that our clients have really easy access to change their links without ever having to go into their theme. So these are a couple places where it works great. It can also work great in sidebars or really just anywhere else you need a menu, which is cool. All right, going back in here, we have, okay, so we have the 3 links. Let's go into settings and go over that. So that's the horizontal versus vertical. You can easily change the sizes of the fonts right here. You can change the weight if you don't want it bold, if you want it to be blue, if you want it to be red on hover, then you can see that in preview. You can see that it's highlighting red. Text decorations, whether you want underline or inherit or whatever. If you want to make this centered, there you go. If you want to make it right align, there you go. And likewise, everything works in horizontal menu. If this is going to be like your main website menu for some reason, you can use the center menu alignment here on horizontal menu to make that centered on like your header or whatnot. Okay, so let's go into spacing. You can give individual link spacing. So if we wanted to space these out more, you can do both padding and margin. So padding is going to be a little bit more important if you are going to give these, say, background colors. If you're not, then maybe just use margin. So you have background color. Let's go ahead and do that. And so now you can see why you would probably want some padding here to make them just kind of a little bit chunkier, right? And if we go back and say text alignment, then you can see like this becomes maybe like a little button grid. Um, Obviously, you wouldn't want the links to be that wide, but you know where I'm going. All right. You can have a different color for hover um, background. So as you hover over the links, you can have them change just like that. Maybe you want to have it be um, white until you hover it, and then it could be a slight gray. Let's pick this one instead. So now it just kind of gives a little bit of a nice feeling here. All right, moving on, we got the border as well. We can say, oh, let's just keep that solid. We'll make it black, keep it black on hover. And here's where we're going to select the thickness of those borders, and you can make it basically look like a button this way as well, just like that. So there's so much stuff that you can do. Really recommend exploring this for your header, for your footer, and everything in between. Thank you.